Hello and welcome. This is Explained That. This is a guide on how to deactivate your Threads account on Android. So let's get started. So make sure that you're already logged into your Threads account and open up your app. And then here, tap on the bottom right corner profile icon and then tap on the top right in which there's two horizontal lines. Tap on settings and then account. In here, you can see the deactivate account, deactivation prompt as well. So just tap on the white button and they will try to ask you for a second time. And after that, there you go. You've successfully deactivated your Threads account. This will take about 30 days before it should delete. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.